Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to record on Snapchat without holding the record button. So normally when you want to record on Snapchat, you have to hold the record button so that you can keep your video recording. This could be stressful sometimes, but what if you want to keep your phone and record yourself? In this video I'm going to show you how to do that. What you have to do is to expand the options at the top right corner and click on director mode. Now you can click the button once and keep your phone. It will do the recording for you. That's how you record on Snapchat without holding the button. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.